Happy morning to all. I'm wishing you a very happy new year to all the CA final students. This is a video which I'm coming up for CA final. In this new year, first video I'm launching with CA final. Sir, what's new? What's update from your side? First of all, I want to say all the very best to those who are going to write in Jan exams. ஒரு 4 நாளைக்கு அப்புறம் some of our students and friends sir are going to write their Jan exam. அதில் சில பேர் have studied foundation with me, have studied inter with me, or some sir others know me, sir I know some others. All those people who are going to write in this Jan, wishing you all the very best, my dear lovable students. Be yourself. You have already studied. Nothing to study, or rather we can't study anything in this 15-20 days. What we can do is we can revise. We can be ourselves. You know one thing, for being ourselves always in every question paper, 14 mark to 15 mark, one question is there. Because ICAI will be checking whether you are yourself or only. So keep the things under calm, enjoy the process, enjoy the exam for the next 15-20 days. Wishing you all the very best, and in between please take care of your health, be hydrated, have sufficient water, take care of good food, have good sleep. You will become a chartered accountant. We'll meet in the ANM success meet to sir congratulate you as for being a chartered accountant. Come on man, come to the purpose of this video, the second one. Sir, after a long time, for the last 1 year, I was a little away from CA final, because actually earlier I was dealing with DT and IDT for last 10 years. From 2015, my teaching journey started. That too, generally for everyone, it will start with foundation, inter and final. But my story was very different. I started with finals. And pre-COVID, DT and IDT with God's grace was going very well. Then suddenly I've started my own academy after COVID, ANM classes. Because before COVID, we used to travel a lot. I had gone and take classes in Bangalore. I gone and take classes in Madurai, various parts of South. But after COVID, I understood that, okay, fine, we can travel more. Okay, if this a situation comes like this, we have to be at one place. So I have started ANM classes, and now it's 3 years over after we started ANM classes. For the first 1.5 years, technically, for the first 1 year, I was literally, even after starting the class, I was free, because I'm having a lot of handful of good faculties with me. Then in the second year, they all of them have started their own business, or they are having different terms and conditions, which was a little difficult for me to conduct face-to-face class. So it was forced me to start up or take up certain subjects in interlevel called advanced accounting, or I have to extend my hands to costing FM. Actually, that and all was not 100% my cup of tea, because I was a tax faculty. So because of the time restriction, preparations and all, you know, if I take a subject, how I will take and how I will deal that particular subject. So I need some time for that. So I was take off from CA final, because I know that I was fully prepared for final, and at any time I can come back to final. But under certain papers, I have to sit and prepare. For last 1 year, I was taken a break. Now I am back, my dear lovable students. For the CA final, for the tax paper, I am back. If you are going to write your attempt in September 26, Jan 27, May 27, now I'm starting with CA final IDT. Sir, what are the modes available? Both face-to-face classes available and recorded classes available. Sir, if you are in and around Chennai, if you wish to join face-to-face class, the classes are conducting at Nungambakam. Daily morning 7:30 to 9:15 class is going. Now the batch is going. Only the one chapter supply we have done. You can join even today, even tomorrow, even day after tomorrow, even within a week. Then whatever portions we have taken, we will give you the recorded version till that, and balance you can continue along with me. Sir, is the next very big question, recorded classes available? Yes, my dear lovable students, being today New Year, we are launching the CA final IDT recorder class at the most affordable prices, which we will be getting with 4 months validity. You just, sir, for 4 months, we are charging just 4,000 plus GST. This is going to be a big revolution in CA final. You can choose at 6 months, you can choose at 9 months, and even you can choose at 1 year validity also. This is for classes and this does not include books. Let me be very clear with the terms. Sir, my intention of restarting CA final is I just want to give the best class experience at the most affordable prices. The material looks like this. This is the material now I'm using for CA final. For example, my dear lovable students, it will have this. This is the classification. Subject has been classified into 5 parts. And sir, if you take section 7 supply, my dear lovable students, supply has been classified into 4 categories: 7.1, 7.1a, 7.2 and 7.3. And 7.1a, all forms of supply of goods or services or both, with detailed explanation. Its example, all the ICAI examples has been covered. And after every item, for example, one particular notification or circular is there, even that notification or circular will be discussed then and there itself, sir, including all the amendments. So this will, for example, circular number, holding shares by a holding company. I am a holding company, you are subsidiary company. I myself holding companies, holding shares in a subsidiary company. Shares are neither goods nor services. So does a holding company hold shares in subsidiary company qualify as a supply? No. And after we discuss a particular topic, its related question will also be included there. The most exhaustive discussion, my intention is to make you get exemption in GST CA final. Sir, how many hours it will run, sir? Sir, approximately I'm saying it will run for minimum 120 at any cost. It may stretch to 140 hours, including entire discussion. With total subject has been classified into 10 parts. If you wish to join you face to face, you can contact 9500810008, or you can even contact my number. This is my personal number, 9605001043. Sir, we are going to join our hands together to get an exemption in IDT. You will be having a doubt, sir, what about the DT, sir? You are a DT faculty also. For this batch May, I have not scheduled any of the batches in DT. It is not practically possible for me to handle DT classes for this May. But for September and for next one, I have not decided because I'm little locked with face-to-face class of CA Inter, my dear lovable students. If time permits, I will surely back to DT also. But whether it is for the next September or Jan, I don't know. But there is no doubt that I will be back to both DT and IDT. The first step, I'm stepping to IDT. We will rule the IDT together. I'm wishing you all the very best. Those who are going to write, it's our dream to become chartered accountant. Will be from here to provide the quality content with updated things, and will be with you to get that exemption. Wishing you all the very best and happy New Year. Take care of yourself, especially your health. Thank you. Bye-bye from ANM.